Hey, Barry Wilson here, Wilson Auto Repair. There's always a lot of questions about electrical, so I'm going to focus on that some this week to try to help people out. So the very first thing that you need to do when you're trying to tackle an electrical job is to identify the wiring. So here comes a wiring diagram that shows how to wire up an instrument cluster on a Bronco, and you can see from this that it identifies the wires by colors. For instance, the top one right here is white and the next one is yellow. So you find those wires underneath here and attach them to the identical wire that's on the main harness of the car. And you can see what we do here, we crimp them. If that'll clear up a little bit, we crimp them. So you see that little indentation right there, we crimp them right there. And then there's a hole right here. If it'll clear up again, I'll get my finger out of the way. And that hole is where we put solder, and so we heat that piece right there, which we call a butt connector, and put solder down in there, and then we slide a shrink wrap up in there, which is a sleeve that then we heat, and it seals that up so it won't come apart. That's a much better approach than trying to crimp all that together, because the crimps eventually give way and you have all sorts of long-term electrical problems, in my opinion. We also have this tool right here to hold the wiring, so you can see it holds it still so you can solder on it. And that's something that if you want to get one of those, or you want to get a torch like this is a Matco torch, but you can get these on Amazon, and I think they're on my website at wilsonauto.com under my tools section. Hope this is helpful. I'm Barry Wilson with Wilson Auto Repair.